the last fleet that challenges Earth. We study their ruins. The galactic hegemony once believed itself untouchable. For millennia, it ruled the stars, crushing resistance with overwhelming force. When humanity was discovered, they were dismissed as another primitive species, ambitious, yes, but ultimately insignificant. Then came the wars. The hegemony's first fleets arrived with confidence, expecting swift victory. They found something else entirely. Humanity did not break. They adapted, fought back, and grew stronger with each battle. Where other species crumbled, humanity thrived under pressure. The hegemony escalated, deploying its most powerful armadas, its greatest war machines, until at last it sent the final fleet, a force so vast it was believed to be an unstoppable hammer of destruction. Yet it too vanished. Centuries have passed since that last battle. The hegemony is no more, its homeworlds abandoned, its surviving members scattered across the galaxy like refugees of a forgotten age. Humanity, now the dominant force, has expanded across the stars, unchallenged and unrivaled. But curiosity never fades. A team of xenoarchaeologists, historians, and military analysts have been dispatched to the ruins of the final fleet, a graveyard of shattered warships drifting in the void. Their mission: to uncover the truth behind the hegemony's last stand and understand what truly happened. The ruins of Defiance. The fleet's remains are vast, hundreds of capital ships, dreadnoughts, and carriers, their hulls torn open by weapons of terrifying precision. Some ships remain eerily intact, systems frozen as if abandoned in an instant. Others are little more than twisted debris. Dr. Elias Varn, a historian specializing in pre-Terran conflicts, pores over recovered logs. The last transmissions of the hegemony commanders speak of an enemy beyond comprehension. They are not like the others, one message states. They do not fight for survival. They fight for something more. Commander Adrian Kess, a military analyst, studies the tactics used in the battle. The sheer efficiency is unnerving. Every fleet movement, every countermeasure, calculated, adaptive, merciless. The hegemony's most advanced AI warships were outthought, their most powerful weapons neutralized. Humanity had not just won, they had utterly dismantled their enemy. The missing crew and the final secret. As the team explores a seemingly untouched flagship, the Tyrant's Aegis, they make a chilling discovery. The crew is missing. No signs of combat aboard. No bodies. Just empty hulls, consoles still active, personal belongings undisturbed, as if the crew simply vanished. A recovered black box reveals the ship's final moments. It wasn't just firepower that doomed the hegemony. It was fear. A force beyond their understanding had gripped them in their last moments. One phrase repeats in their records: the singularity watches. A hidden truth emerges. Humanity had not just developed superior weapons and tactics. They had become something more. Something that even the greatest empires could not understand. And as the team studies the ruins, they realize they are being watched. The singularity is not history. It is here. And it remembers.